Welcome, little scientists, to our third episode of Stay at Home Science, brought to you by the South Brunswick Public Library. I'm Allie, and today we'll be creating a walking water rainbow. Okay, so to get started, we'll be making 7 cups. They can be glass or plastic. They just have to be clear like this one. Food dye, we'll only be using the primary colors red, blue, and yellow to make our rainbow. We'll need 6 half sheets of paper towel. If you only have full sheets, just cut your sheets in half lengthwise. We'll also need some water, and of course, don't forget to grab a grown-up. Alright, so to start with, we're going to fold our paper towels. So, we're using half sheets, so we'll do one fold down, in half lengthwise, and then another time in half lengthwise. And you want it to come out like this. Let's do it one more time. So we'll take our half sheet, fold once in half, and then once more. Like this. Then we'll measure to see if it's the right size for our cups. So when we put them in the cups, we see that there's a lot of space here. We don't want that much space because we want our water to have a short distance to walk. So we're just going to trim our paper towel pieces. Now, if you're using a larger cup, you probably don't have to trim yours. Mine's are a little on the short side. So I'll probably trim about that much. You can always trim off more if you need to. Let's see. Yeah, that's about perfect. And then repeat that process until you've done all 6 paper towel sheets. And don't forget to trim them if you need to. We have all our 6 paper towel pieces folded and trimmed. We'll move on to the next step. We're going to take our 7 cups and line them up in a row. And then we'll be pouring water only into the first cup, the 3rd cup, the 5th cup, and the last cup. These 3 cups we'll need later on. So remember, only 4 of the cups are going to get the water. And we'll pour the water almost up until full. Not quite full, about 3/4 of the way. And we want all the water in the cups to be even. Looks about even to me. Once you have your cups full of water, we'll put them back in line. So you can put the empty cups in between the ones with water. So we'll have the first cup full of water, an empty cup. 3rd cup full of water, an empty cup. The 5th cup is full of water, then an empty cup, and the last cup is full of water. This is how it should look. And next we'll move on to food dye. So remember, we're only using red, yellow, and blue to make our rainbow. I think we need a new angle. Let's switch it up. Now we will be putting the food dye into the glasses containing water. The first will get red, the next will get yellow, the 5th cup will get blue, and the last cup will get red again. You have to put them in this order if you would like the results to come out as a rainbow. Once you've added your food dye, stir it all up. Now that our cups have food dye in them, we will put in our paper towel pieces that we made earlier. The first cup, we will put one end into the red water, and the next into the empty cup. The next cup, we'll put one end into that empty cup that already has a piece of paper towel, and the second end will be put into the yellow cup. Repeat this process until all cups have paper towel pieces. The last part of the experiment is to wait, watch, and observe. Why was the water able to travel up the paper towel and into the empty cup? That's thanks to capillary action. Capillary action is the ability of water to flow in or out of tiny passageways. The passageways are called capillaries. They occur within slender tubes or fine pores in solid materials. Our example of a paper towel has millions of capillaries between its porous fibers. The water moves against gravity due to its attraction to the fibers. Water is also attracted to itself, so that helps for its continuous flow upwards. And the water keeps flowing until each of the cups has the same level. This is also the same science that's behind the action of plants being able to get water from its roots. Alright, so we just saw how we were able to have our water walk up the paper towels and into the empty cups. Using only primary colors, the red, yellow, and blue, we were able to make a rainbow. And that's because once our two primary colors mixed together, they formed to make a secondary color. So mixing red and yellow, we were able to get orange. Mixing yellow and blue, we were able to get green. And mixing blue and red, we were able to get a deep purple. Alright, little scientists, thanks so much for joining us on another episode of Stay at Home Science. I hope you guys had a great time watching our walking water experiment. And if you guys do this at home, please send it to our email. We'd love to see your pictures or videos. And you can even try using socks instead of paper towels and maybe vinegar or oil instead of water and see what happens. Bye for now.